Redwan, where are you going? I am going to a nursery to buy some flower plants for my garden.
Your garden? Do you do gardening?
Yes, my friend, it's my hobby.
Where is your garden?
It's just in front of my reading room. It's not very big.
What type of work do you do there?
I make the soil loose, then weed out the grass, water the little plants.
Is it any hard work?
Extremely not. I enjoy it very much. Moreover, it's very helpful for my health.
Do you just grow the flowers?
No, I grow some seasonal vegetables.
I am surprised with your work. I think it is exactly good work for you.
Thank you very much. See you.
See you again.